I'm going to show you how to make a chili that's rich in flavor and packed with all the good stuff and just the right kick of spice. Plus, this recipe is super customizable, so you can make it as mild or as fiery as you like. Let's get into it. We're going to start with our Dutch oven and about a pound of ground turkey on medium heat. We want the turkey nice and brown, so we're going to spread it out into an even layer. Once it's reached a good level of browning, flip and crumble the turkey into small bits. Now we're going to turn down the heat a bit and add some diced onion, diced pepper, and some minced garlic. Incorporate everything thoroughly before adding some canned tomatoes and chilies. I'm using this Rotel can right here. While those veggies soften, we can create our chili paste. I have a small assortment of chilies here, de arbol, guajillo, and ancho, which I'm going to deseed. We're going to heat them up and rehydrate them a little bit. Once the chilies are more tender, blend them with some chicken broth and season with cumin, smoked paprika, and salt. Pour that mixture into your chili along with a big can of crushed tomatoes. Bring the whole thing up to a boil before adding a can of drained kidney beans. Once at that boil, reduce the heat, cover, and let reduce for roughly 30 minutes before serving. I made this for my weekly meal prep and put it over some protein pasta and added some shredded cheese. This chili is on the healthier side, with each serving coming in at 332 calories and 34 grams of protein, partially thanks to the pasta for giving us a boost. This chili works for other applications like nachos or even chili dogs. Hope you try it yourself and enjoy.